Well, good morning. Today I'm down the Coomera River. I'm just gonna chase some whiting actually. So I've never fished down here in July, so it could be interesting. At the moment I'm at the southern arm of the Coomera. I'll see if there's any whiting about here. I'll probably fish for half an hour. If I don't get anything, I'll head up to the northern arm. It's a case of, can I find them, that's all. So this is a place where I've fished before. I've caught whiting here, so we'll see how we go. Will they be here in July? Wish me luck. That's the first one. I've only been here for about 10 minutes now. It's only 26 centimetres. So I'll give it another 10 minutes. I'm not going to hang around and catch little fellas like this, that's for sure. 29 centimetres. Now I'm right at the mouth of the Coomera River, northern arm. I've tried several spots, getting a lot of brim. Hopefully I can get more of these, a little bit bigger. Just 30 centimetres. Hopefully I get them bigger. Well, that's the best today, 33 centimetres. Well, I'm going to call that a day. I've travelled further than Captain Cook today and I've only got bloody 4 fish. anyway, see how it goes some days. Until next time.